Okay. So if you're having this issue where it looks like the camera is underwater or something and there's too much bloom, there is a very simple way to fix it. You go to the main menu, you go to settings, you go to display settings, you go to effect quality, and you put that onto best. That is the entire fix to the problem. Now we go to offline, we go to dojo. We'll pick our guys or whatever. And then it plays the little song. And it looks great. And there are no more issues with anything at all. So yeah, things, if it's, your computer can't handle effect quality on maximum, turning down the, anti-aliasing and specifically, if you turn this down, that is what really helps with CPU load. Even as far down as 60, it looks pretty good in my experience. But having this on the high setting will fix that weird underwater camera look.